no. Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. No. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. No. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. No. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. When I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Ken. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let him take my soul. No. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. No. I can't let him take my soul. No. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. No. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. We sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you to hate this. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a bed.
What is up, Unplugged family? Today is yet another day of us pulling up to the wrap shop, and this time, you guys, it's really coming together. Oh my God, I just got sent some photos from Gage. I have to pull up. Now I have to make a decision, like a real decision, if I want to do a delete to that blue line in the front of the R. I know the blue is synonymous with the Golf R, and it's kind of like the signature trademark color. And I mean, obviously it's baked into the leather seats to the point where that's the main place where you can't really delete it, is inside the car. So I want to go there and get a look at the car. It's not all the way put together because they still need to put on like the side mirrors, which have that carbon and stuff. But man, they got the wheels on there. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys anymore at this point, because honestly, this would be giving up a lot to the review. I don't know, I'll see. Because if you've really been watching the series like with me, and you're probably as built up for this as I am, then I might give you a sneak peek, because it's not all the way put together. All right, finally pulled up. Every time I get here, there's a dope car to the right of me. 392 Hemi. Yes, sir. Next to the Ferrari. Yes, sir. Now let's go look at our car. What's up, brother? How you doing, man?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm good, man.
Car's coming together.
I know. I saw the photos.
Yeah, it's coming together.
It looks really good. What's up, Gage?
What's going on, buddy?
How you doing, man?
Good.
This is the guy right here. making drink. Oh, I was wondering if you would have like a mirror on by the time I got here. Sweet. Oh yeah, you can see the calipers. Okay. That's the car Instagram. Go follow that. Hey, look, Rotiform, if you steal my idea and you come out with these with white, man, just give credit, man. That's kind of white already, which will play with that. How long does it typically take you to like ceramic coat an entire vehicle?
This will just be a, this is just gonna be a one-step. The coating process itself probably takes an hour, and then it'll take 12 hours to cure. Like with wraps, what I always do is, because you have to post-heat wraps, I'll have them coat it, and then I'll post-heat the entire car to 180 degrees.
Okay.
And then that'll help harden it as well.
So after you finish wrapping the vehicle, it has to be like heated up to help it like cure to the vehicle, or what?
Exactly. So by me putting heat on it,
right,
I'm just resetting the memory.
Its new memory basically becomes the shape of the car.
Exactly.
Fire. You guys think people just putting a massive sticker on the car? There's so much more of a science and an art to doing this. So you said the coating is one step. So what is the one-step coating?
Yeah,
break that down.
Most coatings have like a base layer and then a top coat. This is like an all-in-one, since it's specifically for vinyl. It's just a very porous coating to where your paint can still outgas, because paint will always outgas. So your paint's going to be able to breathe through the vinyl, and then coating layer has to be very porous.
allowing the breathing of the paint to come through the wrap and then through the coat.
Exactly.
Hey man, we're going to school. We're going to wrap school here. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the series because honestly, you guys have been getting educated like deeply in wrap. Because I was doing a little research. So like, aren't there like coat renewers?
There's 2 products that we recommend that's from IGL.
Okay.
Called Enhancer. So Enhancer is like a quick detailer.
Okay.
IGL Wash is like a shampoo.
pH balance, that's the key, right?
Yeah.
Does IGL have a soap that goes into foam cannons or no?
Brittany, do you know?
Yeah.
Because I like using my foam cannon. I pay for my foam cannon. We're going to use the foam cannon. Boom. It's called the Blizzard.
The Blizzard.
Sweet. Yeah, number one thing, we want to maintain, you know, what we've created and what we've accomplished. So definitely going to be on that wave, you know. Front emblem?
Yeah.
So I have a couple options. There is an emblem cap, kind of like similar to what you did on the rear. You gotta figure out what to do with the emblem. It kind of makes the VW emblem a little non-existent, but I'm not too mad at it, to be honest. Y'all comment down below, let me know. Do y'all think I should keep the emblem blacked out like this, or should I do like an embossed logo of like a puzzle piece, or should I just buy that emblem that's like matte black and gloss black? So Seth, in your years of doing this, how many cars do you think you've broken down like this and put back together?
A lot. So this here, most door handles you have to fully take, you have to almost take that bolt out all the way and then it'll release it. These, I've never seen this on any other vehicle. You just remove this and then there's a little pressure plate and you push it and it pops the whole door handle out.
Oh wow. I've noticed how you keep all things that go to a specific car on that car, like how you had the rim little plate thing sitting right there for the wheels, and then like even now you got the R badges and things. Yeah. So I was saying, what's your vote on the side emblems?
I don't know yet.
Okay, you want to see it? That's exactly what I wanted too. Like I literally wanted to see it fully together, so then that way you can understand
on the wire,
whether or not the side emblems are a necessary thing or not. Yeah, the subtle hits are everything. Like I could have went crazy with carbon, but we kept it very minimal. We did it here and we did it up on the edge.
You like it to look clean, or?
That's the debate.
I think I'd leave it off with me.
Sweet. Yep, I think it's clean without it too. Agreed. All right, sweet. Everybody's in agreement. I don't know if I'm showing you guys much, because like I said in the car, I might not show you guys like a lot of things, because you know we right on the door of the reveal. Oh boy, man. Oh man. Talk about manifestation, you guys. Like real talk, I just want to speak to this because a lot of people, you guys see people doing things and you wonder how do they do it or how they got there and things like that. Well, I'm just gonna share some of the things that I've done that like have helped me. That's all I can speak to, is what I've done and what I've seen results from. And one of the biggest things I can say in the forms of like how do you like go from an idea to seeing something, you always start with the idea, but you also need to start writing down things and putting it in visual plain sight, like on your wall. Like I have vision boards all over my office. You guys have probably seen them like in shots. I also have pictures and visual vision boards. So vision boards can be just written, even if you want to get a piece of paper and just write things that you want to accomplish and have come to light, or visual, where you put photos and things like that. I'll show you guys my vision board probably when I get home. I gotta remember. But those are the things that like help maintain the focus. And it also kind of is like almost signing an agreement with the universe to be like, hey, these are the things that I'm going after. And when you put action behind those words, action behind those photos, action behind those thoughts and those ideas, that's when things just start to like fall into play. Now, granted, it's not just like I put this picture up or I put these lists up and I get everything. No, put towards the action, and that action is like putting in the work pretty much. Even with this car, like I had the idea for me wanting to do the car stuff. I've been sitting on this for years. And the universe wasn't moving with me until I made the move. So then I went on ahead and I grabbed a vehicle. Finally, I started doing this car content on the channel. As I got the car and I start taking the leap of faith of grabbing the car and showing that I was serious, things start to fall into play. You know what I mean? I start making connections with certain brands and companies that are in the car world. Even this company right here, like being cool with St. Louis Best, and literally is me putting in the work, calling them, cold calling, hey, this is what I do, this is what I want to do. I just need to be able to film it. The staff is super cool, and genuinely are into cars and like cars. That's the company I want to be around. Me doing this car content is more of me sharing my passion with other people who have a similar passion. That's why you hear me asking these people what are their dream cars, what kind of cars do you like, what would you do to this car, and taking their opinion serious, because these people love cars genuinely as much as I do. When you want to do something, not trying, we don't try, and you put the action behind it, you put the thought out, you put the intention, and then you put the work, and then things start to fall into place. I promise you. All right, guys, I'm finna get out of here. The next time you guys see me, it's gonna be reveal time.
I went from LA to the A on the run, you can